I'm not gonna remember what that card is, just so you know, so it can stay up like that.
So let's start.
Yep.
Melody?
Yep. ¿Cómo estás? Bien, ¿y tú? Bien. ¿Se va? ¿Ah? ¿Se va con Nacho? Sí.
Yep. Whatever.
Costó 400 y algo, pero con hotel. Dos noches hotel y de venida.
Okay.
Charles a pro.
I saw your thing,
Gotta text me on
but I'm like, I didn't know that I was gonna go to national something like a week ago or 2 weeks ago. Just right on
I thought you should have texted me on my Facebook.
Hi.
Correct.
Hello.
So you got 2 surgeon cards in What? No, please.
And go ahead. Okay.
Excuse my vapid.
You got a 10?
You know what? Advantage. Search.
Okay. Flip someone?
I see what you played.
Normal summon?
I understand.
Go ahead.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Final countdown.
So you're running
Sure.
Could you get me out some dice?
classic or
I pay 2,000.
yes, piercing damage?
That's enough for now.
500, so you take
Turn 1.
Sure.
Piper.
You know what I have, so.
or lower.
What exactly does he do?
Well, it doesn't target.
You
So
draw
if
or
you
you
remove
card,
this one,
and then if it's level 1 monster, I draw another. Okay. Set 1. Your turn.
End phase.
Alright.
I take no damage.
Okay.
Yep.
What you add to hand?
He comes back.
Huh? What did you add to hand?
Set.
I added Braun Macking a Dark Horse.
Shark.
Yep.
Was that the one you started draw card?
Enter effect.
I just wanted to be sure.
Swing. Effective factory.
Can I allow?
she beats me.
Phase 2. I will.
You like it, shut up. 18.
Shark to hands.
What you like? 24 or 80.
But I'm the doctor, so join me. They should make a song out of that. Doctor D version. But I'm the doctor. So join me, maybe. That'd be hilarious. The 10th doctor.
I put 40 cards together, one on top of the other. Put them all together, right?
Yeah, I know the show, but I don't watch it. You don't have to watch it. My friend Owen loved it. I've seen a couple episodes and I find it funny. It's just a punch. How do you put it?
Thanks.
Put that down.
No, you should get one that
That guy's called a kill. I'm going to dial out.
really go into the dark. As soon as you open your mouth, it's going to turn off.
Overlay. Is it mighty?
Heavy storm?
Alright.
Effect.
I just wanted to check something.
Yeah. Now I know you.
Heavy storm?
The divinities or
Magician.
Unless I activate it.
If you can. Shark. Special summon.
When I tribute one, or is it at tribute one?
Shark on top of 5.
One of yours.
Summon.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's true.
I guess this one says you're laughing.
Once in battle?
Hello.
Hope.
It's level 5.
Yep.
Overlay for a 5. Overlay for a 4. My 4s do nothing to you. Gemini Pearl.
Just a sec. Need to attack with another card?
Gemini Pro.
I'm bouncing.
Also does nothing for me. Effect. Am I under any of your hexes?
Nope. No hexes.
Good.
Yeah.
52. That.
Good game.
Good game.
Wait. 52.
52. 15.
Yep.
Yeah, good game.
And I'm going to summon Battle Figure.